Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download Snack app videos without a watermark. Snack Video is a popular short video sharing platform, but the videos you download from the app often comes with a watermark. In this tutorial, I will show you two methods for downloading Snack videos without watermark. Method number 1, using a downloader website. The first method is to use a Snack video downloader website. To do this, find the video you want to download on the Snack video app. Tap on the share button. In the share menu, select the copy link. This will copy the video URL to your clipboard. Next, go to the Snack Video Downloader website such as snackvideo.com or svdwn.com. Paste the video URL in the downloader website's input field and click the download button. The website will process the video and provide you with a download link. Click the download link and save the video to your device without a watermark. Method number 2, how to download Snack app videos without watermark by using a third-party app. The second method is to use a third-party app. There are many apps available for both iPhone and Android that allow you to download Snack videos without watermark. Find the video you want to download on the Snack video app and tap on the share button. In the share button menu, select the copy link option. Next, open the third-party app and paste the video's URL into the app. The app will process the video and provide you with a download option with a watermark. Click the download button to have the video to your device without a watermark. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and you were able to download Snack videos without a watermark using one of the two methods. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you so much.